We have always heard that the future is digital, but if you look closely, you will observe that it is not just the future that is digital, the present is already digital. We're living in a rapid and dynamic online world. From buying and selling products to entertainment and education, everything can be delivered by the web. As we enter the digital era, one thing that is making a lot more noise than others is digital money. In other words, cryptocurrencies. In the past few years, the value of cryptocurrencies has soared to unprecedented heights. As the crypto market grew, new players joined in. Today, there are a huge number of cryptocurrencies to invest in, so it becomes quite cluttered for someone to keep track of multiple cryptos at once. To make it easy, we have platforms like Coinbase, the biggest US-based crypto management provider. In this video, we will discuss what is Coinbase and why it has reached this level of success. Welcome to Wealthy Mindset, where we explore unique and breathtaking angles from the world of money, economics, personal finance, and investing. But before we dive into it, please like the video and subscribe to the channel. Also, click on the bell icon right there so you never miss any of our subsequent videos. So, let us start with knowing a bit about Coinbase and what it does. Coinbase is an American company that acts as a platform for investors to trade in a plethora of cryptocurrencies. In other words, it acts as a broker for investors looking to invest in cryptocurrencies. Because there are a lot of digital currencies floating on the internet, Coinbase just makes the process of investing in crypto a bit smoother by providing a single window platform. It charges commission from the investors, and through this way they make their money. As the value of crypto increased, the value of Coinbase also soared, and right now, it is the biggest such US-based company. But how did it begin? So, following Bitcoin's success, many new cryptocurrencies started floating on the internet. Litecoin, Ripple, and Tether were some of these. Investors flocked in soon after. This gave rise to more cryptocurrencies. As these currencies rose in number, Brian Armstrong and Fred Ehrsam sensed an opportunity. In 2012, Armstrong and Ehrsam launched Coinbase, a platform where investors could trade more efficiently. Not just efficiency, Coinbase also ensured security in such transactions. It was supposed to be the one place where all digital assets could be managed efficiently. All one needs is a simple account on the platform linked to a bank account, and you were good to go. Quickly after its inception, Coinbase became a favorite among investors. By 2014, it had acquired 1 million users. It kept growing bigger and bigger as years passed. It was valued at a massive $8 billion in 2018. The success of the platform kept attracting bumper fundings, which pushed the value of Coinbase even further. The simplistic process helped Coinbase to make its name in the market. The fact that it makes a complex process so easy for investors was one of the reasons for its early success. It was user-friendly and a very likable application for beginners. The user interface of Coinbase's mobile application is easy to get used to and very neat. The app was, at one point, the most downloaded application in the United States. It also had a lot of cryptocurrencies, so that was also one of the reasons why it attracted investors. One could trade in almost all the popular cryptocurrencies on the platform, making it another reason for investors to get hooked. Another one of its great features was its security system. Its data storage system is a highly complex one and stores every detail in the safest possible way. It advises users to always turn on two-factor authentication and store its assets in cold storage vaults to ensure the best possible security. In 2019, Coinbase dodged a potential cyber attack with no cryptocurrency found to be stolen. Coinbase has also ensured compliance with the laws of the states so that the investors and the company itself remain safer and more credible than others in the market. At the same time, Coinbase also keeps track of their customers' information. Most of the assets in Coinbase are stored offline in cold storage vaults. All these factors are the reasons why Coinbase is the giant in the field of crypto management. The fact that a total of $320 billion have been traded on the application gives you an idea about how massive this platform is. It has a user base of 35 million people spread across 100 countries. It has in total 21 services. These services can be categorized into 3 different lines of business. There are different platforms for different kinds of investors like individuals, businesses, and developers. The platform is also looking to add more assets to its platform, allowing more users to explore newer blockchain technologies. While at this point, Coinbase looks supreme, even though the competition is rapidly increasing in this space. The platform is also experiencing other problems, like an inefficient grievance redressal system, which results in a backlog of consumer questions. But the thing is that Brian Armstrong, who is the founder and CEO of the company, is a smart man who knows these issues and is surely putting in resources to plug the loopholes in the system. The future of Coinbase, just like the future of crypto, is going to be an interesting thing to watch, and rest assured that we at Wealthy Mindset will keep a close look at all the developments. If you enjoyed this video, slap a like on it and subscribe to the channel to stay updated with the latest business trends and interesting facts. You can also turn on the bell notification so you don't miss any of our mind-blowing videos.